Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Azure DevOps service connections for VM deployments, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Azure DevOps account. Navigate to the project where you want to set up the service connection. Open the project settings by selecting the gear icon in the lower left corner of the page. Scroll down to the pipeline section in the left sidebar. Click on Service Connections. Select the New Service Connection option. Choose the type of connection you need for your virtual machine deployment, usually Azure Resource Manager. Click on Next after selecting the appropriate service connection type. You will be prompted to choose a method for authentication. Select Service Principal, Automatic, for simplified setup. Fill in the required fields such as subscription, resource group, and the service principal's name. Configure any additional options as necessary. Click on Verify and Save to ensure the connection is properly configured. Once verified, the new service connection will appear in your list of connections. Now, navigate back to your pipeline definition. Open the pipeline where you plan to deploy the virtual machine. Add a task to your pipeline for deploying the VM. In the task settings, locate the Service Connection option. Select the service connection you just created. Fill in the other necessary parameters for your VM deployment. Save and queue the pipeline to test the deployment. Monitor the output for any errors during the process. If successful, you will have authorized Azure DevOps service connections for your VM deployments. Congratulations on completing the configuration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.